Our genome consists of 3 billion A, T, G and C letters. Those are nucleotide pairs, and all of these letters are not functional. Out of 3 billion, only 60 million A, T and G sequences code for protein, and they are genes. So, what are genes? Genes are those A, T, G and C letters, and not only those letters, it's little more than that. These are organized into special structures, and they contain promoter region, 5' untranslated region called 5' UTR. It has exon sequences, intron sequences, it has 3' UTR, and it also contains the start codon ATG and also the stop codon. There are 3 different kind of stop codons. And do not get confused, no matter what structure they are, these all are A, T, G and C sequences. So all the genomic sequences A, T, G, C are not genes, but all the genes are genomic sequence A, T, G and C letters. And most importantly, they make RNA and protein. Therefore, genes carry the genetic information in the form of codes, and it passes from one generation to the next generation. Genes are not happy alone. Like us, they do need a pair, and each individual in the pair are called alleles. Therefore, let's talk about alleles. What are alleles? By definition, alleles are 2 alternative forms of a gene. 2 forms of genes that are alleles, and these different form of alleles arise due to mutation, and during zygote formation, each parent contribute one allele from their side to their offspring. We human have 23 pair of chromosome, and out of 23 pair, in each pair one chromosome comes from a male parent, our dad, and other chromosome comes from our mom, that is the female parent. In the pair of chromosome, one allele is present in one chromosome and other allele is present in other chromosome, but in the exact same location. Therefore, chromosomes are thread-like structure that consist of nucleic acid and proteins, and they are present in the nucleus of the cell, and they pass the hereditary information from one generation to the other generation in the form of genes. Today we learned about genes, alleles and chromosomes. If you want to learn more on genetics, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.